Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the lion, capital of Ashoka, with four lions atop the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath has been adapted as the national emblem of India, and also national anthem of India is written by Rabindranath Tagore, and also when the Indian sports persons win medals at the international sports competitions, so they are honored by being wrapped with national flag and national anthem is sung. Okay, in 2016 Olympic Games, who won the silver medal and who won the bronze medal? Okay, and how we honor in this moment? Okay, and also when the soldiers were sacrificed their life, so I will honor them. Okay, national flag and national emblem and national anthem of our, so all these are our national symbols. Okay, art, music and literature, and so dance type and state. Okay, and also in these postures, expressions of dance, costume designs, ornaments and proficiency, facial expression, gesture, so it is very distinctive in India. There are different types of dances are there, so like that. And also prepare an album regarding types of dance, so folklore art. Okay, so popular folklore dance or art around in your places. Okay, so music and literature, and which are the very highest award in India. So all these things we discussed here. So now let us discuss. Before going to discuss all these things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. So in last class we discussed about our national flag was initially manufactured at Garaga. So Garaga is a small village in Dharwad district, now Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Samyukta Sangha. So based in Hubballi. Okay, Hubballi is the only licensed manufacturer of a national flag and is the supply unit for India. So I will once again repeat it. Our national flag was initially manufactured at Garaga. Garaga is a small village in Dharwad district, now Karnataka Khadi Gramodyoga Samyukta Sangha, based in Hubballi, is the only licensed manufacturer of the national flag and is the supply unit for India. Okay, so and also this poem is written by Kayyara Kienarai. So the meaning of this poem is, the poem speak about the splendor of our national flag and the essence of its grandeur. It depicts the truth via sacrifice of great leaders like Gandhiji. It inculcates a sense of devotion in its patrons and gives strength to build our nation strong. So okay, so look here, this is a picture. Okay, so you should observe it. So look here, so this is a picture of the monolith pillar at Sarnath. Okay, this is a picture of monolith pillar at Sarnath. So this pillar was installed during the reign of Ashoka the Great. Okay, so in North India. I will once again repeat it. So look here, this is a pillar of the monolith pillar at Sarnath. This pillar was installed during the reign of Ashoka the Great in the North India. The lion, capital of Ashoka, with four lions atop. Okay, so atop the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath has been adopted as a national emblem of India. So this one is adopted as a national emblem of India. So I will once again repeat it. So this is a picture of monolith pillar at Sarnath. This pillar was installed during the reign of the Ashoka the Great. So in North India, the lion capital of Ashoka with 4 lions. The lion capital of Ashoka with 4 lions atop the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath has been adopted as the national emblem of India. Okay. So this is a picture of national emblem of India. The lion capital with 4 lions is our national emblem. So which is our national emblem? The lion capital with 4 lions is our national emblem. The lion capital with 4 lions is our national emblem. So you can observe this national emblem on the coins and currency notes. Okay, so where we see in this national emblem means, so we can see or we can observe this national emblem on the coins and currency notes. Okay, our national emblem is the symbol of identity. Okay, here you should observe that, don't forget this one. Our national emblem is the symbol of identity and heritage of India. Okay, our emblem is the symbol of identity and heritage of India. So next, you sing the national anthem during the school assembly. Okay, so when we are student, everyone sang the national anthem during the school assembly. Is it so? Is it not so? So who has written it? So that means who has written national anthem? What is the name of poet? Okay, understand the theme of our national anthem. So it represents, okay, the theme of our national anthem represents the diversity and regionalism of India. Okay, national anthem represents the diversity and regionalism of India. So while you are singing this national anthem, you feel patriotic. Okay, you should know this. The national anthem of India is taken from the first few stanzas of the poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, the national anthem of India is taken from the first few stanzas of the poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. So in next class we discuss more things. Thank you.